Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest tech products. Today, we have an exciting accessory for all you Apple AirPods Max users out there, the ROUNKIN Headphone Charging Stand. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and functionality of this charging stand, so you can decide if it's the right addition to your AirPods Max setup. Let's start with the design. The ROUNKIN charging stand has a sleek and modern appearance. It's made from a combination of metal and ABS materials, giving it a premium feel. The tower-shaped design not only looks good but also provides stability on your desk. One of the standout features of this stand is its compatibility with AirPods Max. It comes with a unique magnetic charging design that makes it a breeze to charge your headphones. The included power adapter attaches magnetically to your AirPods Max, ensuring a secure and efficient charging connection. Convenience is key with the ROUNKIN stand. When you place your headphones on the stand, they automatically enter charging mode. This means you can keep your AirPods Max ready for action without fumbling with cables or worrying about battery life. While its primary function is charging, this stand also helps keep your desktop tidy. It has a lightweight and space-saving design that won't clutter your workspace. The ROUNKIN Headphone Charging Stand is priced competitively at $24.99. Considering its build quality and the convenience it offers, it represents great value for AirPods Max users. Before making any purchase, it's important to consider what other users are saying. Customer reviews have been mixed, with some reporting issues with functionality. However, it's worth noting that ROUNKIN seems to have good customer service and offers help when problems arise. In conclusion, the ROUNKIN Headphone Charging Stand is a stylish and convenient accessory for AirPods Max users. While it may have some occasional functionality issues, it offers great value for the price. If you're looking to streamline your AirPods Max charging experience and keep your desk organized, this stand is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's product critique review of the ROUNKIN Headphone Charging Stand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.